Ah! What's that? Oh, just my zombie friend having fun. Our zombie got sick. Clementina has been sleeping for 3 days. Nothing can wake her up. Not even Ben's funny stories about vampires. Something must be wrong. I need to wake up our sleeping zombie beauty. Ben has a plan. Wrap a ceramic mug in air-dry clay. Shape a zombie face. Put one eye into an eye socket. Shape 2 teeth. Color the zombie with acrylic paint after it hardens. Cut the top part off a plastic spoon and hot glue a small arm of a broken doll. Clementina, look what I have for you! Your favorite, dirty cocoa in a zombie mug. Smell it, it's so good! Phew, it helped, she woke up! Yummy! Achoo! But Clementina keeps sneezing. This zombie is allergic to people. That's not good. We need to take care of your zombie health. Zombie first aid? That's not what I need. Oh, here we go. It's a zombie antidote in a giant syringe. This will definitely help. Cut the plunger off a broken pump. Glue it to a clear flask. Decorate the joint with a strip of gray foam paper. Draw hatch marks with a marker so it looks like a syringe. Color a piece of a wooden skewer with silver acrylic paint. Attach a foam paper circle to it and glue it to the syringe as a needle. Mix clear glue with laundry detergent. Add a pinch of baking soda and light green acrylic paint. Mix slime. Put it into the flask. Attach a zombie sticker on top. Oh no! Holy apocalypse! I hate shots! Calm down, Clementina. This syringe is fake. It's just some fun slime. Take it out. Slime will calm you down. Maybe your illness will go away too. Achoo! Or not. I got my hopes up too soon. Let's continue the treatment. Art outdoors will be helpful. A forest, a canvas, and a ton of inspiration. Chill out and create something. But Clementina can't deal with it. She gets even more stressed out. I know what can help you. A zombie artist kit. Attach a template of a skull with bones to a canvas. Pour acrylic paints into test tubes and attach stickers with radiation warning signs. Put the canvas, a paint roller with a zombie sticker, and the test tubes with paints into a box. Add a lid with a zombie tape. That's a brilliant idea, Ben. This is exactly what I needed. Clementina loves skulls and bones. Now she'll show him what zombie art really is. Achoo! Let's break the tube with paint and color the whole canvas. Look how it turned out. Remove the template. Wow, this is a portrait of Clementina's grandma. It looks just like her. 2 peas in a pod. Clementina keeps getting distracted. There you go. She found some fresh dirt again. She wants to dig up a zombie grave. Hey, Clementina, stop getting your hands dirty. Since you like dirt this much, take this clean, stress-relieving grave. Coat a suitable rectangular box with acrylic paint. Mix kinetic sand with dark acrylic paint so it looks like dirt. Dry the sand on parchment paper. Cut a tombstone out of thick cardboard. Color it with acrylic paint and label it using a marker. Put the kinetic sand into the box and put in the tombstone. Decorate with fake grass. Whoa! My very own grave! Touching this graveyard sand is so satisfying. This grave calms down not only our zombie, but also Ben. Rest in peace. You are sneezing from stress-related allergies. Ancient bones will help. Nom nom nom. I love them. Ew! Spit that out. These are just maracas. Put heavy beads into a small decorative bottle. Attach a stick of hot glue to the bottle. Wrap the piece in light clay. Shape a bone. Color it with acrylic paint. Wrap a red thread around the jingling part. Make 2 maraca bones. Let's perform an ancient relaxing ceremony with bone maracas. Like this. Seems like it's working. The zombie is falling into a trance state. Stay calm. That's better. Achoo! Oh no, the sneeze knocks Ben out. What should I do? How do I make Ben come around? I have an idea. It's a zombie squishy. Trace a zombie on a piece of memory foam. Cut it out. Color the hands and the face with green rubber paint. Cut clothes out of colorful felt and foam paper. Add details on the clothes with a marker and hot glue them to the zombie. Outline a face using a marker and attach the foam paper pieces. Color eyes. Cut a brain out of a pink makeup sponge. Trim it with scissors and color it. Put the brain into the hole in the zombie's head. I'm giving an external cardiac massage using a zombie. It worked! Ben wakes up. Squishies do calm you down. But my allergy problem is still bad. It looks like Ben got infected too. It's Clementina's turn to save her friend. Here's everything you like. Tea. Burgers. Spices. Nothing helps. Then try some special slime with eyes. Mix clear glue with gel laundry detergent, some water, baking soda, and red food coloring. Make slime. Put googly eyes into it. Put the slime into a jar. Close it with a cap and add a zombie sticker. Awesome! Zombie slime cures the zombie disease. It's staring right at me. This is so much fun. Oops! Sorry, Clem. I need to distract us from sneezing. Studying will help. But Clementina doesn't like books. It stresses her out. Here, look inside this hypnotic zombie globe. Cut the arms off of broken dolls. Make them different lengths. Hot glue the arms inside a round cap. Put the longest one in the center. Attach the cap to a stand. Color the hot glue with acrylic paint. Wrap the stand and the cap in air-dry clay. Decorate with artificial sprigs and grass. Add texture using tweezers. Pour water into a round jar. Add glitter. And screw on the cap. Wow! There are so many hands in this snow globe! The zombie is mesmerized. Now she can read in peace. Kenny, you know me better than anyone else. Thanks! Let's actively fight our allergies. Let's play games. What about zombie ping pong? Great! And where's the ball? Hang on! Bam! I solved the problem! Coat table tennis rackets with black acrylic paint. Attach a printed picture of a zombie head without an eye to each racket. Add blood traces and fingerprints with red acrylic paint. Create a zombie eye on a ping pong ball using acrylic paint. Let's have a zombie tournament. Deal! Oh! Don't fight! Ready? You serve! But Clementina hits too hard. The ball gets far away near the state border. Good game! Zombies don't like losing. 1-0, I'm winning! And shut up! Did you like our zombie stress relievers? Then comment below how you will calm your zombie friend down. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new zombie ideas from Troom Troom.